Chippy, 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 chill! JunyTony!
Lullaby. Wow! Look, Tony!
It's a shark!
I know that fin on the back. What was it called?
It's a shark that can smell blood from 500 meters away!
Aha! It's a great white shark!
That's right. It's me, the #1 in the ocean. Great white shark, the fierce predator.
Did someone say the #1?
Huh? Wow, it's a black dorsal fin. Well, Orca's here.
Yes, I am.
Orca?
Don't tell me you know the great white shark, but not me. I gracefully spray water through my blowhole. What do you think?
Wow! So beautiful! It's like a water fountain.
I'm Orca, and I'm not ordinary. I'm the top predator of the ocean, also known as a killer whale.
Wow!
Don't show off, Orca.
What did you say, great white shark? I think I warned you enough last time.
That was a mistake.
Mistake?
Why don't we just see who's the strongest?
I'm in.
We, the great white sharks, have very long bodies. I'm over 6 meters long.
Wow! That's longer than 6 times Tony's height.
We, the orcas, are way longer. You see, I'm over 10 meters long.
Orca is much longer. Sure, the size is important, but I have these really cool teeth. No matter how big the prey is, it doesn't matter. I have over 300 sharp teeth that resemble a saw.
My strong teeth can chew and bite hard, too.
Orca's teeth look cute compared to the great white sharks.
What did you say? Cute? Ha! I have a very scary nickname that's not cute at all. Friends, can you guess my nickname?
I know.
Drumroll, please. The answer is...
Killer whale!
You're right! We, the orcas, are the top predators of the ocean. We eat sharks, dolphins, and other whales. So we are also called killer whales.
Ha! My hunting skill is so much cooler than yours. Wow! How cool are we? When we hunt, we rise to the surface like rockets. Ha!
Have you ever seen us beaching? We can rush to the beach in an instant and snatch food. It's a skill that produces tremendous speed and power in a moment.
Wow! That's so cool!
Yeah!
And we travel in groups. We also hunt in groups, so you can never beat us alone.
Travel in groups, huh? Then I'll just run away before you come. I can sense all the tiny vibrations a few hundred meters away.
Shark, 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 great white shark. Orca. Killer whale. Come on, great white shark. Come on, Orca, killer whale. Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go! Great white shark! Go, go, go! Killer whale! Junie will think I'm a shark.
Ah! It's a shark!
It's me, Tony!
Oh, Tony! Huh? Tony!
What is it, Junie?
Hello!
Ah! Oh boy! my! It's a real shark! A great white shark! Please don't eat me! Please! I won't make fun of Junie. I'll be a good boy. I promise!
Huh? I just want to play with you guys. I was trying to play with a ball because I'm so full.
You were?
We don't hunt anytime. We only hunt for food when we're hungry. But you have a point, because we're known as the very best hunter of the sea for a long time. My sharp teeth, enormous jaw, strong muscles, and powerful tail fin. Not every fish can be the largest predator, can it?
Stop showing off!
I'm not showing off. Everyone trembles when they see my dorsal fin from afar.
Of course! Come on, Junie, be nice to her.
Let me tell you how cool we sharks are.
We're here to help you.
Oh, you came just in time.
Hi, I'm Mako Shark, the fastest shark in the world. I swim in the rough sea with my long, pointed snout and a tail fin that's perfect for swimming.
Do you breathe while swimming that fast?
We sharks breathe by absorbing the oxygen contained in the water. That's why we must swim, so that water keeps coming into the gills.
You must be very tired.
Well, yeah. But like other fish, we can wag our tails from side to side and change direction with our chest fins.
I'm Saw Shark. I look for food with my sharp saw blade snout. I can find food accurately with the barbells on my saw blade snout. I look like a sawfish, so remember my barbells.
With your long snout, it must be easy for you to dig up the ground.
Yes, it is. Sharks hunt for food with excellent senses, even if they don't have barbells like mine. We can even feel the electricity in addition to a sense of sight, touch, taste, hearing, and smell.
Whoa, electricity?
Yeah. Every living thing sends out a small electrical signal. Sharks can feel the signal and find food easily through a sensory organ called Lorenzini.
Wow! It's amazing that you can feel the electricity.
And there's more. Hi, I'm Hammerhead. My two eyes are on the tip of my head that look like a hammer. Thanks to my eyes on both sides, I can see everywhere with a little turn.
Saw shark like a saw, hammerhead like a hammer. You guys look unique.
I have another unique secret with my scales.
What is it?
My scales are shiny on the outside, but rough when you touch them. These scales protect my body like a shield from an injury. It's like I'm wearing armor. Feel free to touch them.
Well then...
Touch my strong teeth, too.
Hey! You scared me big time!
You already know about me, the great white shark, right? I have no problem with any prey because of my big, strong teeth and jaw.
But you should be careful about eating hard food. Hard food might break your teeth.
Oh, no. No need to worry, Junie. Our new teeth keep growing in rows anyway, just like escalators. My old tooth just came out.
Oh, there are so many fun facts about sharks. So, hey, Shark, can I keep that tooth to commemorate our friendship?
Sure, here you go.
Wow! Thank you! I'll place it under the pillow for the tooth fairy.
What?
Come over, sharks! 1, 2, 3, 4. Introduce yourselves, everyone. Let's go!
Shark, I'm a great white shark. I hunt with my razor sharp teeth. Shark, I'm a great white shark. I can hear everything, even from
Shark, I'm a mako shark. I hunt with my long pointy teeth. Shark, I'm a mako shark. I swim the fastest of all sharks.
Shark, 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 shark.
Shark, I'm a hammerhead shark. I hunt with my hammer-shaped head. Shark, I'm a hammerhead shark. I hunt alone when the sun goes down.
Shark, 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 shark.
Shark, I'm a saw shark. I hunt with my saw-like snout. Shark, I'm a saw shark. I have a special snout and it's so cool.
Shark, 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 shark.
Come over, sharks! 1, 2, 3, 4. Great white shark, mako shark, hammerhead, saw shark, yeah!
Why, that's weird. I'm pretty sure I put it here. Hey, Saw Shark, have you seen my fish somewhere around here?
Oh, that fish? I ate it a minute ago.
What? No way! I never said you could eat my fish!
Wow, you are so cheap. It's just a fish. I'll catch you 10 of them.
10 of them? You? Are you sure about that?
You think I'm just an ordinary shark? Do you see this long saw-like snout? With this, catching 10 fish is just a piece of cake. I have no doubt that I'm a better hunter than you are.
What? Then you know what? We should make a bet. How about the shark that catches the most fish gets to take the other shark's fish too? Are you in?
What a great idea! Look at my keen snout.
The marvelous saw shark.
I am an awesome shark.
The marvelous saw shark.
Looking for food deep in the sand, a snout that is long and flat. With all my mighty force, I hunt them at one stroke. Hey! My teeth are pointy, spiky, and sharp.
Saw shark.
My teeth are pointy, spiky, and sharp.
Saw shark.
Look at my hammer-like head.
The strong hammerhead shark.
I am an awesome shark.
The strong hammerhead shark.
I can sense any kind of prey. You cannot get away from me. Thanks to my wonderful eyes, I will not let you free. Yeah. My big and mighty hammerhead.
Hammerhead shark.
My big and mighty hammerhead.
Hammerhead shark.
Look at my keen snout.
The marvelous saw shark.
Yeah!
Look at my hammer-like head.
The strong hammerhead shark.
Yeah.
Hunting in the sea.
You better not be seen by me.
When we find you, we will never let go of you.
Yeah.
Its teeth are pointy, spiky, and sharp.
Shark.
Its big and mighty hammerhead.
Hammerhead shark.
Furious shark.
Oh, help me!
Look what you get after stealing someone else's things. I hope you learned your lesson.
Oh no! What happened? We'll get you out!
Everybody step away. Ugh.
Phew! Thanks, everyone! And Hammerhead, I'm sorry I ate your fish without permission today. You can have all the fish I caught as promised!
I also want to apologize for underestimating your hunting skills. So then, do you want to share the fish together?
Yes, I would love to! Yay!
What should I have for dinner? Oh, there it is. Oh,
How? Who are you? You hurt my squid friend, Sperm Whale!
Ho-ho! Giant squid, eh? I can't wait for my big dinner tonight!
Go away!
I'm coming! I'm the biggest of all toothed whales. Let me introduce myself. I'm a sperm whale. I'm as big as 18 meters. I weigh about 50 tons. I've got sharp teeth and superb diving skills. I'm awesome because I never fail. I am a sperm whale. I'm a sperm whale. I'm a sperm whale. I'm a sperm whale. Sperm whale. Let me swallow you up.
How dare you say such a thing? I live deep down in the sea with my strong legs. Let me introduce myself. I'm a giant squid. I'm as big as 18 meters. I've got 10 giant legs. Check out my powerful suckers. They can't stick to anything. You can't get away from me. No one did. I am a giant squid. I'm a giant squid. I'm a giant squid. I'm a giant squid. Giant squid. How about this?
You're good. I'm a sperm whale, but not as good as me.
I'm a giant squid. Catch me if you can.
Stop right there!
I can't do this anymore.
Huh? Juny, look!
It's a sperm whale and a giant squid. Judging from the scars all over them, I think they must have had a very big fight.
Wow, it must have been one enormous fight!
It's amazing that even a sperm whale this big can't beat a squid. A giant squid is amazingly strong.
Chippy, 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 choo! Like and subscribe!